ZANU-PF was born in 1963 out of a split from ZAPU, its predecessor liberation movement. The party would go on to demand absolute unity from Zimbabweans, could not itself maintain unity at its founding moment. This contradiction has defined its succession politics ever since. From the very beginning of ZANU-PF's leadership transition, they have rarely been clean, consensual, and predictable. Sarabina Mashkobra Yokopangona Chinzi, ZANU-PF succession, a history written in political blood. To subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tip tap ahendo, Yachpomsaru, Anubranjura Chiti. November 2017 remains the most dramatic moment in ZANU-PF succession history. The military under General Constantino Chiwenga moved tanks to the streets of Harare and placed Mugabe under house arrest, carefully avoiding the word coup, calling it instead a corrective measure targeting criminals around Mugabe. Within days, Mugabe, who had ruled for 37 years, resigned. Mnangagwa, who had fled to South Africa days earlier, fearing assassination and arrest, returned triumphantly. The military had, for the first time openly, determined the presidency. The presence of civilian party process was abandoned entirely. This moment fundamentally altered the succession equation. The gun, always present, always present in the background of Zimbabwean politics, stepped into the foreground. The Mnangagwa era and the unresolved question. Mnangagwa came to power promising new dispensation. Elections in 2018 and 2023 kept him in office, though both were contested by opposition groups and drew international scrutiny. Ndo mashikwanobudai tobva pana chipomsarurwa achasi kuona kuti aiwa mazimbabweans have been betrayed panguva ino this Mnangagwa era. Panguva ino kuchionekwa kunzi they promised kuisa new dispensation nekusachange nyika yeZimbabwe, but panguva ino malived realities atirusangana nawo they do not represent that. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Bvira comment section medu dzamafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.